Bitget, Copy Trading Revolution. Bitget is an exchange that specializes in copy trading. This product allows you to copy trades from experienced and successful traders on both futures and spot markets. The exchange is also actively developing trading bots within the platform, which help automate your trading strategies. There are both regular bots and AI-powered bots. You can use popular bots or create your own, all within the Bitget exchange. In 2024 alone, Bitget increased its user base from 20 to 100 million users and took second place worldwide in terms of registrations, second only to Binance. Bitget has been operating since 2018. The exchange now serves over 120 million users and ranks 6th in global rankings. You can trade more than 700 cryptocurrencies on it. The platform commissions is up to 0.1%. The exchange has verified financial reserves. Don't store money on exchanges. Keep only the amount needed for operational trading, while main fund storage should be done through personal wallets. Don't forget that all exchange links with maximum registration bonuses are in the description. That's all from us. Subscribe to our channel, there will be many more useful crypto videos in a compressed format. See you next time!